Today I really wanted to show you guys how to blend the lace, but straight out the box it's like, what am I gonna teach you guys? Here is today's wig. This wig is a beautiful drawstring wavy texture. As you can see, it has really soft waves, and this is what the hairline and everything looks like. Make sure everything fits. All right, oh wow. So just putting this on, look at this wig straight out the box. Like today I really wanted to show you guys how to blend the lace, but straight out the box it's like, what am I gonna teach you guys? So simple the way they've created most of these wigs now. Straight off top, I don't really need to do much to this wig. It's absolutely gorgeous when it comes to the hairline. This is what the ear area look like. It does fit around the ear. Take that drawstring and pull it, tighten it up. And then of course I like to tuck the comb. That gives a little bit of hold to the wig. The curls are super gorgeous, like really pretty. And they're so soft. Like I can run my fingers through it. So let's get into styling this wig. I'm gonna go ahead and take a water bottle, and I have conditioner mixed with water in here, and we're just gonna spray the hair down. Take a little bit of conditioner and water and put it to the hair, and then close it with like a hair serum at the ends. It usually helps to minimize the frizz. I like to use my unbrush only when I am dealing with wavy or curly hair. And I also like to air dry more so than use a blow dryer. What is your go-to method, wig, style? I like the side part, but I like the middle part better, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put the middle part back in. I love the way they constructed this hairline. It falls so naturally. I'm gonna use the tape basically at the sideburn area. And doing this will help your wig not slide, and just press it onto that tape on both sides. And you can also put one in the center if you want to. So this is what the finished result look like. You guys, you can see for yourself what the curls look like after being wet. You just want something that you don't have to customize, then yes, this is perfect, especially with it being a curly style.